You are suffering from vitiligo, you are confused what to do or how to treat this, or you does not know what type of medicine should be taken when you're facing the vitiligo, then this video is for you. You have to come on and right channel so that you will be knowing about how the vitiligo is going to be cured and how it can be treated and how long the treatment takes and what are the things should do and things should not do also. Myself, Dr. Mega from Homeopathic Clinic. So today in this topic we will be talking about vitiligo. If you are new to our channel, if you are not subscribed, please do like and subscribe. Vitiligo is an autoimmune disease where the melanocytes who are responsible for the color of the skin get destroyed. Because of that, on the skin or on the hairs or even on the mucous membrane, the loss of color takes place, and it takes place in a very patchy way. And this kind of diseases is not caused overnight, like the patient got overnight fever means he was better yesterday, today he got. No, it's not like that. It takes some time. It always takes the time which the disease wants to be developed and to come outside, because this disease is not kind of superficial, it is very deep acting. Because of that, it's not cause oriented, means we cannot differentiate that because of this only it has come. And the treatment for the vitiligo is very costly, and the patient does not know which should take, which should not to take, because all the middle class people does not know where to go, because it's costing them so much of money. Whatever they are earning, it's almost kind of getting there, and the time duration is also very long. And why it's not getting cured, even though young people's children's also facing vitiligo nowadays, and it's been vast. So some people starts to ask, why me? Because some vitiligo patient, it is genetically passed down, but for some it will be very new to their family, and first they did not know it was the cause. But after the disease has progressed, after they came to know that it is vitiligo, they ask, why me? Why me only? Because it is an autoimmune disease, and because of your lifestyle, because of any kind of emotional disturbance or any genetical problem or anything it may be there, because of that it has been affected. But it can be treated with homeopathic medicine, so don't lose the hope. I will always have the hope, because if you have the hope, if you have the light in your life that you're going to get cured, of course you're going to get cured. So if you're suffering with vitiligo, you're always confused like all of these points which I said, because my patients who come to my clinic say this, because they did not even kind of know that homeopathy exists and homeopathy has the treatment for vitiligo and it can remove completely. Because so many people are going for the lasers, or so many people are going for allopathy treatments, and they are taking so much of creams, that this and everything, but there is no improvement. So here this video is for you, and I will be giving you some homeopathic medicines, how they act on the vitiligo patient. First, I'll be talking about borax. Borax as an white skin with red patches, means the patient always kind of shows the white skin with red patches. And whenever the patient is exposed to the sunlight, the patches you can see on this person is little bit brownish, but like this it will be there. But when the patient exposed to the sun, the brownishness turn into the redness, and the patient also start itching. This is one of the peculiar symptom of vitiligo in the borax patient. Borax had given to the patient who was having other symptoms also, like menstrual disturbance with migraine. This kind of disturbance was there, and I had given them, and they showed me a real kind of improvement very soon, because the case taking is very important in homeopathy practice. Because if you are a good doctor of homeopathy, then you should spend 3 hours of almost 3 hours of case taking in the severe cases like vitiligo, eczema, psoriasis and everything. Next one is arsenicum self flavor, whereas this is one of my day to go for vitiligo, because if vitiligo patient comes to my clinic, I will say that okay, I'll just take down this medicine and keep beside me, because even before case taking I do it, because it is just an supplement to the vitiligo patients. Because of course one constitutional medicine should be given for removal of the root cause, but this is also a supportive medicine, so it should be given daily 3 times a day. Okay, this remedy may be given in 3x potency thrice a day, or 30 potency or 6x potency, but you should be giving thrice a day. Then only you can see the improvement. When the improvement is been coming back, give 30 potency if it fails to cure completely. And you can also kind of give 200 potency weekly also, but I had given 30 or 68 potency thrice a day, continuous 3 months with the one constitutional remedy. Then only I had got the result, because it acts wonder. So don't kind of ignore it. If you are an practitioner, you're looking for an medicine, then you can really go for it, because I had personally seen it and I had observed it and I had given to my patients. The patients was really happy, because the person who come with the vitiligo already has lost the hope with the treatments, because they think that okay, it's going to be there for me for the lifetime, I should be with it for the lifetime, I cannot do anything about it. But no, it's not like that. It can be cured, so don't lose hope, because if you lose the hope, there will be nothing. If you have the hope, there is something. So even if you lose the hope, what you're going to get? Nothing, right? If you have the hope, at least your disease can be treated. So don't lose the hope. Homeopathy can really help, because some patient who has come to me for other kind of diseases without vitiligo, I'm talking about, asked me like, doctor, can this vitiligo is also treatable in homeopathy? So I said yes, but they said no, I had already spent lakhs and lakhs of rupees on this, but I had not even seen 1%, 2% of improvement. Can you give me a guarantee that it will be cured? Then only I can start the treatment, because I had already spent so much of money. So is it worth taking the homeopathy medicines? Because the medicines who is costing me lakhs and lakhs has not done anything to me, but how this sweet pills can do something for me. But my answer was, when you try only you will come to know, right? You try it, I cannot guarantee you, but the improvement is guaranteed. So when I said that, the patient says, okay, then can you give the treatment for me for free, if you are so like this confident? I said okay, because it's okay, treating one person for free, it's okay. So I just gave him an treatment. Almost it was like 2.5 months or 3 months I was using this arsenicum self flavor, and I think I gave him the sorinum with nitric acid. So it was a complete cure, and the patient also kind of observed that the patches are coming a little bit decreasing, because the patch was like 1 coin distance whiteness was there, that came into the pinch, like, so that improvement was seen. So he says, okay, I believe in homeopathy, sorry for asking for free treatment, you can charge me. That was the thing, because the patient may act like this in front of you, but you should never lose the hope. While I was explaining this case, nitramure went away. So don't sorry, not nitramure, nitric acid. Nitric acid is also very much helpful. Discolored zigzag patches of the skin, the base looks like an raw flesh. Moving on to the sorinum. Sorinum is also better for the psoriatic patients, but you should also give it as an intercurrent remedy, not as an start remedy, or not as an hand remedy, but as an intercurrent remedy. I gave it at the end of 1 month. next second month, next third month, like that, once a month intercurrent. It may be required at some stages of the disease. Hair on the eyebrows and even eyelashes may become grey. That time you can think of Sorinum. The dose of this remedy given every week can restore the original color of the hair affected by the disease. So this is one of the peculiar symptom of the Sorinum. So if you are an practitioner, go for the Sorinum Syphilinum Psychothuja. You can really kind of go with that. Okay, moving on to the hydro means, no, it's not worth saying it. Thuja also you can give, but it has less affection. Better go for nitric acid. Okay, what all you should be doing if you are facing with the vitiligo? Avoid milk products and citrus fruits. What is citrus fruits? Is orange, lemon, because it can really increase the pigmentations. It can really means the white patches gets increased because of that. And you should also avoid the milk products. Low levels of stomach acid, HCl, are believed to be the cause of this problem. Because of that, you should be always knowing what you are eating and how is your diet lifestyle, because correcting the diet lifestyle is also 10% improvement and 10% treatment. So never neglect that. You should always believe that okay, you're going to get cured and this is temporary, so I'm going to get cured. And if I correct my diet plan, this is one of the main suggestion which I give for my patient. So this was a little video about vitiligo. Of course it was very less, but of course in the upcoming days I'm going to do the more video with the detailed explanation on the cases which I had seen in the clinic. So if you really like my videos, please to like and subscribe, and don't forget to press on the bell icon so that whenever I put a new video you will be notified. Thank you for always supporting me and my channel, and you are always an courage and the encouragement and the hope for me to live on. So please do share my videos if someone is necessary, and please do like and subscribe. You can also comment and you can also talk with me. If you have any kind of diseases which you want to know, just comment on the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day. Wonderful life. Bye bye.